Hi, welcome to my another video today. I will help you choose the 5 best 3D printers on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches, and I am trying to list those based on price, quality and more. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting number 1, Monoprice Select Mini V2. Here we have the very entry level of 3D printing. Through our experience, entry-level items aren't always the easiest to use. This isn't the case with the Monoprice. Affordable and user-friendly. What's not to like? Essentially, this is a Chinese-manufactured printer called the Malian M200. It has been rebranded and packaged for the US market. The Monoprice can print objects to a height about the same as a can of soda. It has a print resolution of 100 microns, which is 0.1 millimeters. Print speed is 55 millimeters per second. But what does all that mean? Resolution will determine how detailed the final product will be. The higher the resolution, the smaller each component of the finished product is. Print speed obviously determines how quickly the printer is capable of reproducing the model with accuracy. There were 2 features that really impressed us for a budget device. The first being the fact that you are not confined to proprietary software. This means you can choose your preferred software. What also was a pleasant surprise is that you can use any standard 1.75mm PLA or ABS thermoplastic. Often budget products recover costs by locking you into using expensive parts. This is not the case here. If you are a beginner looking to learn about 3D printing, we would highly recommend this product. At number 2, Elego UV. Elego has managed to create a resin 3D printer at an affordable price. Filament printers heat the material, which is then fed out a nozzle. Resin printers use a liquid which is then hit by a UV laser that hardens the material. Resin printers are able to produce a much higher resolution product. These have proved very popular with those wanting to create miniature figurines. Of course, there are several other possibilities besides figures. Print volume for the Elego is 120 x 68 x 155 mm. That is roughly the size of the average action figure. The print resolution is 2560 x 1440 pixels, capable of producing smooth-looking detailed objects. Compatible with 405 nanometers UV-sensitive resins, there are many affordable options available. Unfortunately, there is none supplied with the unit. Make sure you don't forget to purchase some along with the printer. We are highly impressed with the detail and accuracy the Elego is capable of. Print quality is just as good as more expensive models. Elego uses Chidi firmware and Chidi print preparation software. Chidi is reasonably user-friendly and intuitive to use. This isn't proprietary, and other software can be used with this printer. If you can afford it, we recommend moving up from a resin printer to filament. With such great, affordable models such as this, it doesn't have to be too much of a stretch. At number 3, Anycubic Photon UV. Just like the Elego, this is another budget resin 3D printer. It's easy to see why budget resin printers are so popular. The Anycubic is one of the most popular, so let's find out why. Being affordable isn't the only reason people love this printer. Print quality and ease of use are remarkable for this price range. That makes this appealing for both beginners and intermediate users. As with most budget resin printers, the main drawback is the limited build volume. Measuring 115 x 65 x 155 mm, it's not tiny. It's not huge either though. A print resolution of 2560 x 1440 pixels results in accurate creations. The layer thickness is where this machine stands out from other budget models. Capable of between 0.025 mm and 0.1 mm, this is what enables printing of such detailed objects. Anycubic includes a great set of instructions that clearly explain setting up the machine. However, we were pleased to find the machine arrived mostly pre-assembled. There was more than just a printer in the box too. Included along with the printer are some handy accessories. A bottle of resin so you can get started quickly. A set of tools, safety gloves, and glasses are a nice touch, as dealing with resin can be dangerous. The 8GB USB stick has some preloaded models on there. We think this would make a great introduction to resin 3D printing with everything you need to get started. At number 4, Chidi Technology X12. Next, on our reviews of the best 3D printers, Chidi produces this enclosed 3D printer. Besides being safer by offering protection from hot components, there are a few more benefits. Due to being enclosed, higher temperatures can be used for both the nozzle and bed. Being enclosed also creates a sterile print environment free from dust and wind. In addition, a more solid and sturdy frame results in more accurate prints. What are the capabilities? This is a filament printer. Its build volume of 145 x 145 x 145 mm gives more possibilities than the first three machines. A resolution of 100 microns, or 0.1 mm, is decent but not as detailed as the resin printers. Compatibility with a variety of filament types allows a range of printing options. A choice of PLA and ABS can be used without any need for adjusting settings. TPU, nylon, and PETG can be used with a quick tweak of the settings. How about the user experience? No need to assemble anything with this unit. Simply feed the filament and level the bed, and you're ready to go. The included step-by-step instructions for leveling the bed make this process easy. Software is included from Chidi, and is surprisingly user-friendly for proprietary software. This device is still compatible with third-party software. We particularly enjoyed that noise is kept to a minimum thanks to the enclosure. A great ready-to-go product suitable for those with children or working around people with inquisitive hands. At number 5, Chidi Tec XPro. It wasn't long ago we were amazed to be able to purchase a 3D printer for under $1,000. Well, we have good news for you. Due to advancements in technology, for the same price range, you can now have something incredible. We've already seen a budget model from Chidi Tec. The XPro is an enclosed model with some much more advanced features. This is the first machine to include a dual extruder. That means 2 nozzles, which also means the opportunity to incorporate 2 colors into your designs. These nozzles are used directly onto a heated aluminum bed. There is a clever trick with the bed. The top plate is removable, magnetic, and flexible. This makes removing your objects much easier once they're completed. A simple design idea we were most impressed with. Build volume is at 230 x 150 x 150 mm, which is reasonably generous for an enclosed printer. With its resolution of 100 to 400 microns, 0.1 to 0.4 mm, detailed, accurate creations are possible. It's compatible with various filaments up to 1.75 mm. These include PLA, ABS, and PETG. The software included is Chidi Print. Although easy to use, it lacks some more advanced features. This is likely the best 3D printer for you if you're looking for a reliable enclosed machine with dual color capabilities.
So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.